Lights, camera, and action.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is purely based on the poll that we conducted on our Instagram account, where we asked all of you to vote whether you wanted more recommendation of movies or web series. Most of you wanted movies. So here we are with some movies that were critically acclaimed and were made in Bollywood. So, those of you who haven't yet subscribed or followed us on Instagram, do follow and do subscribe to the channel. So, the first movie on our list is Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota. I am sure you must have heard this line, Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota. मर्द बहादुर होते हैं, but in real, दर्द तो होता है ना. This movie is exactly as the title sounds. The main lead has lost his sense of feeling pain. Imagine if you feel no pain, even after being hit by an iron rod or something else. The movie features Radhika Madan, Abhimanyu Dasani, and Mahesh Manjrekar. The story begins with Surya's mother being killed in a chain snatching incident, and he is determined to catch those criminals when he grows up. But when he turns 5-6 years old, due to his mischiefs and the problems caused by him, their family is asked to vacate the locality, and then his father keeps him under house arrest till he becomes an adult. In this meanwhile, his only time pass is watching action movies and imitating the fighting scenes so that he can face the criminals. One of his favorite movies is 100 Man Fight. Supri was his only childhood best friend, whom he later meets in his life again. Then he meets his idol, the man who features in 100 Man Fight, and his life takes a drastic change. See the movie to know what happens next when he's determined to serve his master. You can watch this movie on Netflix. The second movie on our list is Ye Saali Aashki. You may use this term after desperately falling in love and that love turns your life into hell. This is one of the most underrated movies that I have watched in recent times. Of course, you are in Bollywood and movies like this will go unnoticed as it doesn't feature any big names. It is a thriller. The movie begins with two students falling in love with each other, but things don't pan out well as the girl accuses the boy of rape and assault, and the boy appears to be far more decent and intelligent to everyone. But due to this, the boy is taken to a mental asylum. The story starts when the boy tries to escape the mental asylum. I can't tell you no more about this as it is a movie that you should experience. It develops your interest towards it with brilliant performances by both the main leads. It's a revenge story and you can watch it on ZEE5 Premium. The third movie on our list is A Death in the Gunj. The movie's directional debut for actress Konkona Sen, and after watching the movie, you will surely think she has been doing it for some time, as everything was on point from the star cast to the storytelling. It features Vikrant Massey, Ranveer Shaurya, and Kalki Koechlin. The story is set in 1979 and tells you about a shy teenager, Shutu, who is on a family trip. Shutu is that kid who is overlooked and completely ignored by his relatives. His dad has just passed away and he has failed his semester exams. All these situations going in someone's head can cause an explosion within. See the movie to know what events took place. It is a deep movie and it takes guts to release such a different movie in Bollywood, and that too when you are on your debut. You can watch this movie on Amazon Prime Video. The movie which features next on our list is Tumbad. कहने को तो एक हॉरर मूवी है, but you will be less scared rather than being amazed that movie like this can be made in Bollywood. A complete different and a fresh plot, starring Soham Shah in lead role, who is in search of hidden treasure in the 20th century of British India in the village of Tumbad. The movie has an ancient story behind it, the story of goddess of prosperity and Hastar, her first offspring. Hastar, being greedy of all the food and gold, was attacked by all the gods and was left on one condition, that he could never be worshipped, and Hastar is been sleeping inside her mother's womb since. The story, told by their mother and grandmother, amazes Vinayak, who is determined to find out the hidden treasure. Will he be able to find it? And if yes, will he be able to satisfy his greed? That is the main question. Soham Shah nailed his role to perfection. You can watch this movie on Amazon Prime Video. The movie even premiered in critics section of 75th Venice International Film Festival. The next movie on our list is Udaan. It is another directional debut. This time, the director is Vikramaditya Motwane. Anurag Kashyap is one of the producers of the movie, with a star cast of Ram Kapoor, Rajat Barmeja, and talented Ronit Roy. Udaan premiered in UN Certain Regard section of 2010 Cannes Film Festival and received a standing ovation. First film represented in Cannes in 7 years. And can you imagine such movie underperformed at box office? Poor Bollywood. The story focuses on Rohan, who is expelled from boarding school and is forced to live with his oppressive father. Rohan also has a younger brother who is scared of his father. Rohan fails his exams so that his father can let him pursue his dreams. Later he finds out that his father beats his younger brother, and that was the reason that his brother got hospitalized. See the movie to know how the brothers fight to have a new life for themselves. The movie is an inspiring one, and you can watch it on Netflix. Mukti Bhavan, directed by Subhashish Bhutani, is a heartwarming tale of Rajiv and his stubborn father Daya. Adil Hussain and Lalit Behl plays the roles respectively. Story takes us along the journey of Rajiv, who accompanies his father to Mukti Bhavan, aka Hotel Salvation. Daya hopes to die at Mukti Bhavan in Varanasi in order to attain salvation, just like his father. Rajiv is forced to take him, leaving his job and family and all the responsibilities behind. Mukti Bhavan is an experience between life and death. The movie makes you laugh, cry, and think. It's never an easy topic to be discussed in a movie, but the writer Subhashish Bhutani did it successfully. The movie had won UNESCO award at Venice International Festival. Holy Varanasi is framed in such a way that nowhere it has lost its sanity. From Aarti at the banks of Gangas to cremation, everything is subtly framed. Coming to the performances from the lead, the father son duo will surely warm your hearts. Adil Hussain does an exceptional role as a man who tries to balance between his aging father's wish, his boss, and his family who's left behind. Lalit Behl fits perfect in his role of a stubborn father. Gitanjali Kulkarni and Palomi Ghosh, who played Rajiv's wife and daughter, did a good job as well. Apart from UNESCO award, movie has won several other international accolades too. Yes, the movie was a failure in Indian box office, but managed to do relatively well in foreign box office, especially in Japan. The movie has got different perspectives, from spiritually driven Daya to Raji's daughter who mocks the old man. All have different takes on life. Watch the movie for its tender and beautiful way of storytelling, which we are not used to in this kind of storylines. We generally see much movies being so sappy melodramas, but Mukti Bhavan is a mukti from those too. The next movie on our list is Aankho Dekhi. Aankho Dekhi, directed by Rajat Kapoor, is a soulful movie which talks about the life of Baoji, played by Sanjay Mishra. The movie has its life spot on and takes us along the journey of a knowledgeable fool who tries to find answers for his questions. Raje Bauji, played by Sanjay Mishra, is the oldest member of a joint family in Old Delhi. After an incident that happened to his daughter, he is determined that he will now believe only what is seen with his own eyes. This character of him makes him a lunatic for some people, and for some, say his wife, a burden. Rajat Kumar's movie has moments that we can laugh at, and at the same time, it also makes us pause for a second and think. So, what's the best thing about Aankho Dekhi? Well, it's definitely Sanjay Mishra's acting. Sanjay Mishra, who is known for his comic roles, has done a spectacular job as Rajay Bauji. The cast include Seema Pava as his wife, Taranjeet as his sister-in-law, Brijendra Kala as one of the neighbors, Maya Sarao as his daughter, and Rajat Kapoor himself as his younger brother. I must say, the casting is inch perfect, be it a full length role or a very minute role. The actors just sink in perfectly. Next important thing was the camera and the art department. It is one of those movies which showed us a realistic glimpse of old Delhi rather than the filmy one. Rajat Kapoor's Aankho Dekhi might fall in not everyone's cup of tea group, but it is one of the most genuine approach that we have ever seen for such a story. It is a philosophical take on human lives and has too much class in it. This is that kind of movie which we get when we travel away from mainstream Bollywood movies and start analyzing the smaller and better movies. The next movie on our list is Titli. A lot of you might not have heard about this movie, but it is also another directional debut. It features talented actors like Ranveer Shaurya and Amit Sial. The story of the movie is quite simple. A family with three brothers who do carjacking to earn their livelihood. Violence is an easy option for them, but the younger brother, named Titli, has some other plans. He wants to escape his family and their line of work. He has a plan to buy a parking space for which he is gathering money. So, do you think it is so easy for someone to just leave from such a scenario where he has intentionally or unintentionally done such crimes? Watch the movie for strong performances, and you can watch the movie on Prime Video. The next movie on our list is Kamyab. Hardik Mehta's Kamyab is a movie which discusses the not so beautiful face of Bollywood, that is, the small time actors' place in the industry. Sanjay Mishra yet again proves why he is an exceptional actor and delivers a stellar performance in Kamyab as well. Sudhir, played by Sanjay Mishra, is a retired small time actor in the industry, but after his retirement, Only he realizes that he has done 499 films till date and missed a unique record. So he decides to come out of retirement and do a remarkable 500th movie. Well, the movie is humorous, but it certainly wins empathy towards Sudhir. The movie tells us real stories of actors whose performances are measured in numbers rather than quality. The movie has Deepak Dobriyal, Avtar Gill, Isha Talwar, and Sarika Singh in supporting roles. Deepak Dobriyal, as casting agent approached by Sudhir, does an outstanding job in his role. Both Sarika's role as Sudhir's daughter and Deepak Dobriyal's role as casting agent were spot on. The movie is superbly written with memorable dialogues. बस enjoying life और क्या? This will stay in your heart for some time. Not only a humorous journey, but the film is satirical towards larger than life movies, two filmy approaches, and cliche melodramas existing in Bollywood. Watch it for the performances from the cast. Surely they are not going to disappoint you. I hope you liked the video. If yes, do hit the like button and comment down in the section below if you have some suggestion for us and you want us to cover something for you. So until the next video, stay safe, stay home and keep supporting us. Goodbye for now.